So, good morning. Very good morning to all of you. So, before proceeding, uh, good morning. Good morning. My voice is clear, I think so. Uh, Let me start. We are solving this example in previous class. That example is already finished, but a summary of example we have to write. Only that is. So it is asked in this example, design of a intention member, the longer leg of single angle, the angle is given. If there is the section is given, then that example is nothing but the analysis type of example. And how many types of example already I have discussed with you earlier. Okay, so section is given, and we have to find out the load carrying capacity of the section in the tension. Okay, so this example is on the tension member, or already we have finished, and one by one I will just briefly go through it, and then we will go for another section. So this is connected with the 10 mm thick cassette plate and board number of board the 10 mm diameter. So what is given, just you have to write first the type of problem is analysis type, load we have to find out, that's why the question mark is here. Then thickness of cassette plate 10 mm, it is given IS 125 by 75 because it is unequal angle section, that one egg is longer and one egg is shorter, and 8 mm is the last is the thickness of that angle. And D is the diameter of nominal diameter of bolt, because if you have to fix the bolt of 18 mm, then as per IS 800 2007 table number 19, you have to for a hole you have to give the clearance of 2 mm. That's why the diameter of bolt, that is D0 DH, is nothing but 20 mm. Now the load will be the minimum of all this value, and TDG, TDN and TDV1 and TDV2. What is this? First, the gross section yielding. TDG is nothing but gross section yielding, and this formula is already IS 800 2000 section number 6, design of tension unit, that it is given. So AG into FY upon gamma M0, AG is 1538, that is also given. Uh, One moment. So TDG is already given. Get oh, so take it here divided by 1.1. So it is coming to 49.54 kilonewton. Okay. Then design strength of tension member in that section rupture. So net section rupture for the angle section, this formula is also given in IS 800 2007, page number 32. That is net section rupture for the single angle, because this angle is single angle connected with the gusset plate. So zero point 0.9 into ANC FU upon gamma M0, sorry, gamma M1. If there is ultimate strength that rupture is there, then the partial safety factor for material is gamma M1, and its value is given in table number 5 of IS 800 2007. That is 1.25. And beta AG0 FY gamma M0, that is AG0, that is area of gross area of all standing leg, and beta is to that is the shear lag effect of the outstanding leg, and FO is the end stress, and gamma M0 is the single partial safety factor material for yielding, and that is also given in table number 5 of your IS 800 2007. So this one is the value you find out the area of connected leg 808, area of outstanding leg 568, and the beta is nothing but 1.4 times of 0.076 W by T Fy and Fu BS upon LC. So all this term we know W is the flow width of the outstanding leg, and PS is the W plus WI, that is CG of the connected leg from the edge plus the given, and then you have to draw this, put these values, and LC is the length of connection, and length of connection is from center of the first bolt to the center of last bolt, that is 4 bolt. So center of first bolt to center of this, there is 3 pitch, and minimum pitch you can find out 2.5 times of D, and 2.5 into D is nominal diameter of the bolt, that is 18. So that is coming 45, we are taking it as a 50 mm. So 3 PE 50, 50, 50 three times, and it is nothing but LC is 150 mm. So beta is 1.4 minus 0.076 into 75 by 8 to 55. This is Fy upon Fu, and then Bs upon LC. The beta value is coming 0.957, which is less than 1.4 and greater than 1.7, and so it is okay. So we will put this value. We will put this value into the formula. All these values we know, and we have to put the value into the formula, and then you will get the design strength in Hessian uh, net section rupture. So now beta we know, if you know Fy, you know NC, H0 already we have find out. Put all the value and you will get the design strength in the rupture of net section rupture, that is 362.06. Okay. Then block shear failure, you have to draw the pattern of block shear failure. Block shear failure, that is shear failure as well as tension failure, both side failure are there. That's why you have to draw the tension edge and shear edge you should know, and then only you can find out the gross area in shear, net area in shear, AVG and AVL. Similarly, you have to find out the gross area in tension, ATG, and net area in tension, ATL. Okay, because G we have taken 45, that's why 45 into 8 is the 360, that's the gross area in tension. Similarly, net area in tension you can find out, and then put all this value on TDB1 and TDB2. You'll get the block shear failure, shear yielding tension rupture, and tension yielding shear rupture. All this value you can get, and then you have to make a summary. So already this example we have solved in previous class, but firstly have gone through it, and what we have find out, we know that today is working for 21, है ना? Alright, yes, 21. Okay, 21 8 21. So here the design strength of your tension member, design strength of tension member is minimum of 9 strength of tension member. Tension is minimum of what? First one is the cross section angle, strength in cross section angle. That is, we are denoting TDG, and this value we calculated, that is TDG value we are already calculated, and that is nothing but 349.54 kilonewton, 349.54 kilonewton, 349.54 kilonewton. Now, the second one is the net section rupture, strength in net section rupture. I am writing full design strength. on the minimum of gross section yielding, gross section yielding from the first one. Design strength of tension unit is section rupture for single angle, that is TDN. We have calculated something 362 point something with this value. The value of TDN we have already calculated. TDN 362.06 kilonewton. 362.06 kilonewton. And third one is the block shear failure. Block shear failure. Strength in the shear failure, that is TDB1. TDB1 shear yielding tension rupture. This value already we have calculated earlier, that is 287.36. 287.36 kilonewton. And TDB2, that is tension yielding and shear rupture. Tension yielding and shear rupture. Here you can see tension yielding shear rupture. The value is 252.25. 252.25 kilonewton. So what is the design strength of your tension member? It is minimum of all these four values. So, we have the four values now. I will change the color of the napkin and then you can see. Four value, which value? This first value 349, second value 362, third value 287, and fourth value is 252.25. In all this, which value is less? So I can say that this value TDB2, the fourth value is very less. In all of this, so your strength of tension member, so design strength of your tension member in block shear failure. So design strength of tension member, tension member, that is single angle section, that is ISA 125 by 75 by 8 mm, is nothing but 252.25 kilonewton. So this is the design summary. So this you can also term it as a design summary. So this is the design summary, and you have to write down at the end, and this your problem is complete here. Okay. So that is the how to design our tension lever, or how to find out the design load. So this by completing this example, we have completing the unit number 1. Almost we are over to the completion. Now only to what is a lug angle and what is the splice we will discuss, and then we'll finish this lecture. Okay. So this one is completed already. The number 3. So this the summary. We close this. Finish this. Now this tension member design already the failure is cross section yielding, near section option, block shear failure, and also we have seen how to find out the staggered feature in many problems we have solved. Find out the net area of the angle section. We solve this example, and then we have solved the example how to design a tension member to single angle. If there is double angle, only we have to take a single angle first, and then you can go for the another side or twice the strength. Okay. Now we will come to our main part here, the lug angles with the finger. So if I will write here. So there is again like 21, 8, 21. So lug angle, what is lug angle? What is lug angle? What is lug angle? Lug angle is nothing but additional angle when there is length of connection is very short. If the length of connection is short, then you have to provide additional angle for the connection. If I will draw this, this is the gusset plate, and the gusset plate. So I'll write here my the main member. This is my main member. This is the angle section. And this gusset plate length is very short. Okay, it is end here. Okay, and then uh, if, if 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 there is this dotted line. Now, for example, if I need a 6 number of for connection, bolt for connection. But if there is short, only we can able to provide 3 number of bolt with main member, with main member, with main member. Then 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 for connection to complete the connection, we require we require additional angle, additional angle for connection, additional angle for connection only, for connection. Okay. So here I will not able to provide as required 6 number of bolt. So what I will do for the connection, to complete the connection, I will provide additional angle. This is the additional angle I am providing. Okay, this is additional angle. I will change the color of additional angle. So this additional angle we are providing, and this additional angle is the red. Is the additional angle is the red color. Okay. So this additional angle is required to complete the connection. So here I will connect this two by the bolts. Okay, and then the additional bolt required for the connection I will provide to that additional angle. So now 6 number of bolt I have provided. So this additional angle is called as uh, this additional angle is called as this additional angle is called as lug angle. So this additional angle called as. तो why we are providing the lug angle? क्यों हम provide करते हैं lug angle? जब हमारा लेंथ ऑफ कनेक्शन शॉर्ट है तो एडिशनल एंगल से हम कनेक्शन पूरा करते हैं. So that is called as in bolted connection and welded connection also. It may be bolted, it may be welded. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ bolted connection. Welded connection में भी अगर length of weld जितना required नहीं मिल रहा है तो you can provide additional angle to complete the connection, length of connection. Okay, so that is the additional angle, and this additional angle is called as lug angle. Okay, and I will write this one, the main member. Okay, so this is nothing but your additional. Okay, in case of tension. So I think so आपको समझ में आ गया है ना? So that is to complete the connection, we have to provide additional angle, and that is called as lug angle. Similarly, if you are providing with the channel section, there is channel section. Your channel, sorry, channel section. There is 2 flanges, bottom and top. Was free-handed on the different. So this one will. Sorry. Okay. Okay. And here also, if the receipt plate is providing, and if here also the length of connection is short, Then also if the length of connection is short, so we can provide an additional angle for crane. Thus additional angles are called as level. We can provide top and bottom also if 6 bolt is required and only 2 bolts place is there. Then you have to provide additional angle as per requirement. Additional angle is provided here. Okay, connect with this bolts. Additional bolts are required here. Similarly, you can provide at the bottom also. Those 2 flanges are there. Connect this. So these in red color they are nothing but called as lug angle, lug angles. Okay. And this one is the your main channel. Main channel. Who is disturbing the class? I will remove him. Who is disturbing the class? देखिए एक तो पहले आप लेक्चर करते थे हो और पहले ज्वाइन करके फिर हल्के पे अनम्यूट करके सब करते हो आई विल रिमूव so this one the lagaina okay then another type of connections if you go to that is the go for so here you can go for additional the length of member is short. So then we are going for to provide with splice. So what is why we need the splices? Splice or splices we need when length of length of main window main window main window is short. Okay, so why we need a splice? Splice means to join the member if the length of member is short. Or it may be if my length of member is required 6 meters and the length of member is only 4 meters. So what we will do? We will provide a splice. Sorry. Find this. The member having the thickness, same thickness. This is also T. This is also T, and T is equal to 16 here. The member thickness is same. Then we will require the splice. It may be welding, it may be bolting. Okay. So this is called as splices. Called as splices. Okay. This at the bottom and the top there is. Okay. But when you are doing the connection and one member having thickness T1 and another member having thickness T2. So at that time what you will do when you are providing the splices, so we need to better connection. For better connection, we need a packing fillet. We need a okay. If T1 is 16 mm and T2 is equal to 10 mm. So we require the packing fillet thickness that is T3, that is 6 mm. Packing fillet. Okay? And then we will join with the splice. Then we will join with the splice. So I will join with the splice. So different colors I am providing because you can understand, and then we will complete the connection. Okay. So if there is member and thickness of members are different, then you have to provide a packing plate and then you have to complete the. If you will not provide the packing plate, what happens? There is loose connection and the connection will be not proper and the transfer of load will not be proper. Okay, so that's why we need a packing plate. So these are the types of splices. Uh, when you are joining if the length of main member is short, then you are joining with the main member with additional member, or if there is connection between the members, then you have to use a splices. Okay, so in column in beam, if the length of beam is short, because in factory only up to 12 meter in you can order, then only special order you can get a 12, maximum length of this member is 12 meter, or generally it is made by 4 meter or 6 meter length of members. So that's why if the length of member is short, if you are going for this large span, then you have to join the members with the splices, and that is nothing but the purpose of splice to join and without uh, compromising with the strength of your member. So that's why this is called splice. So I think so. You can understand this very well. Okay. So this is all about your tension member design, and we have to start the compression member today itself. But now shortage of the time is there, so we can start next time. So I think so. So tension member, for example, over here. So we will finish here our unit number completed today. Unit one completed today with this. Okay. Now I will give you assignment and you can solve the assignment. If there is any difficulty in solving the assignment, I will provide the hint to you. Okay. So we will stop here. And today is 21 plus 2021. So already we have lost 15 minutes due to the network problem. That's why delay in starting the lecture, but it is completed. Total one unit is completed today, and we will go for another unit, that is compression member, design of compression member. Next class. So these units are very interesting and you can score good marks. So please don't take it easy. If you are joining the lecture regularly, then only you can score the good marks. And 90% mark you can get easily. If you do hard work, then you can also be able to get. You are also able to get full marks. So you try to get the full marks, and as you release the assignment number one today on your Google Classroom. So please go through that and complete the assignment. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask with me. Otherwise, we'll stop here, and from next class we will start the design of function. Okay. Any doubt? कोई डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, अदरवाइज वी विल स्टॉप। नो डाउट, सबको समझ में आ गया? हेलो, आर यू देयर? गुलाब हुसैन, अहमद, साहिद रजा, Ambunath Mughal. Okay, you don't have any answer. Okay. Okay, so I will share your assignment on the Google Classroom. You will complete and upload the assignment, or you can write down the assignment on the new pages and check with you when physical class will start. We will check your information. Not possible, then we will check online. We will stop here.